keeping a bird in a cage, keeping fish in a fish tank, in an aquarium. This is permissible as long as you're feeding it and taking care of it and not torturing it or allowing children to abuse it. This is totally permissible. In Sahih al-Bukhari, Anas ibn Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, had a young brother of 4 or 5 years of age. And the Prophet used to visit the house often, and he nicknamed the boy as Aba Umair. And he had a small bird, Nur. And the bird was in a cage in Medina, and the bird died. So the boy was saddened. So the Prophet came, and he gave his condolences to the child by joking with him and nicknaming